a good wife and a good woman is from the four things or the four affairs that are from the happiness of the dunya. As the Prophet ﷺ, he mentioned arba'a min as-sa'ada, that four things are from sa'ada, four things are from happiness or from bliss. And the first thing that the Prophet ﷺ mentioned is al-mar'atu salihah. The four things that he mentioned, al-mar'atu salihah, a good, righteous woman. Wal-maskan al-wasi', and a spacious home. Maskan al-wasi', a spacious home, is from the affairs that are considered from the affairs of sa'ada, from bliss in the dunya. And good neighbors, wal-jaru salih. Here the Prophet ﷺ, look at how the four things that are from bliss, look at how they have a connection to the home, all of them. Because the fourth of them being a good riding beast. And so that is connected to the home and outside of the home. But look at the first three are connected to the home. Imra'atun salihah, maskan al-wasi' wal-jar salih. Three things related to these are from the bliss within the dunya, that create and bring bliss in the dunya. A good wife, righteous wife, a spacious home, and a good neighbor. Which indicates that your dunya, the affairs of your dunya should be between breadwinning and home and the masjid. Breadwinning, home, and the masjid. That is the origin. That is not to say you can't have friends. I said there is no friend time. Na'am, there is friend time, but it should not overcome family time and overpower that which is related to the duties that are upon you from breadwinning and what have you. Now,